some bread. Snow from my car. Wahid is my brother. Is helping my brother. Wow. Let me taste it. Look at the scene. Due to cold weather and snow, our government has announced that all universities and institutions are closed. So I decided to bake a special bread. The ingredients are vegetable, potato, onion, flour, fat, oil, salt, and spices. We add some milk to taste better. Mix all the ingredients. Let me add the potato. Here, add some now I asked my mom to mix all the ingredients. It is a snowing day and I have to clean this snow from my car. Today it is snowing in Mashhad and the universities are closed, so I decided to come out, bake some bread for today. And here, look at the scene. It's a beautiful road.
That's strutting, baby.
Here is my brother's bakery shop. He is a professional baker. Look.
Hello.
Wow, a very delicious bread we will have.
يا تعملين الصينش.
Wahid is my brother. He is younger than me. He has a bakery shop. Look here, مامان نگاه کن. He is very professional in his job. Mom is helping my brother in making the bread. My mom is very kind. Maman, ada maman. No way. Não vai fechar dessa. Let's pick up the bread from the oven. Here is very, very hot. Oh. Now the breads are getting ready and I want to taste. Let me show you. Wow. Oh, it is too hot. Let me taste it. Very delicious. The texture is very soft and crispy. I really love this bread. Thanks my brother. Today I didn't have breakfast and lunch and I'm just eating this fresh bread for my lunch. Dear viewers, if you enjoyed this video, please support me with your likes, comments and subscriptions. I don't know why these childs are...